So this is the last LAVCA 5th grade ELA read aloud for Study Island and the topic Structures of Text. This is part 4. So open your Study Island lesson and find where I am and follow along, and then you'll be ready to open this topic and complete 10 practice questions. Okay, starting part 4 of Structures of Text, and this is on drama. And not all stories are written for people to read. Some stories are written for people to watch. Stories that people watch are called plays. Plays are also called dramas. A drama is a story told by characters talking to each other. Just like stories, plays have a plot, tell a story, and have characters. As the characters talk, the story moves on. Even though plays are meant to be acted out, plays can also be read silently from the page. They just look different than stories. You can now pause this recording and click here to play the movie in your lesson. So here are some drama terms. I'm going to read them kind of quickly, so just follow along as best you can. An act is a big chunk of a play. It is like a chapter in a book. Most of Shakespeare's plays have 5 acts. A play will list the names of the characters needed. Some lists will even give a little description of each role. The list of characters, or cast, is shown at the top of the play. Dialogue is the words spoken by characters in a play. A long speech by a character in a play spoken either to others or as if the character is alone. Off the stage, out of view of the audience. When a character talks off stage, the audience can hear but not see the character. On the stage, in the view of the audience. In most plays, the characters will not be on stage the whole time. Look for clues in the stage directions to see when certain characters enter on stage. People who write plays are called playwrights. The most famous playwright of all is William Shakespeare. A scene is a small chunk of a play. A scene usually has just one event, like a conversation or a fight. An act is made up of many scenes. Stage directions tell actors how to move and speak. Most stage directions are in parentheses and/or italics, slanted words. They can also tell you where the play is taking place. Stage set describes how the stage should look. It gives the director an idea for designing the set. It gives the audience a better idea of where the play takes place. Here is an example of a drama called Summer Break. And this is exactly what we read in part 3 of Structures of Texts. So you can go back to part 3 and listen to this, me reading it again, or what would be even more fun is for you to find somebody who wants to be Phil, Shannon, Janet, and Les, and you can be the director and you can have these folks read this short act of this and scene in this play.